Hello friends, welcome to this video on RFID published by FLAX Knowledge Center. Let's now understand what an RFID is. What is RFID? RFID is an acronym for radio frequency identification and refers to a technology whereby digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels are captured by a reader via radio waves. RFID is a form of wireless communication that incorporates the use of electromagnetic or electrostatic coupling in the radio frequency portion of the electromagnetic spectrum to uniquely identify an object, animal, or a person. These radio waves transmit data from the tag to a reader, which then transmits the information to a RFID computer program. RFID tags are frequently used for merchandise, but they are also used to track vehicles, pets, and even patients. An RFID tag may also be called as an RFID chip. Choosing between the technologies. Each technology has advantages that are best suited to the application at hand. We can look at the relative importance and costs of several factors when choosing between the technologies. Laser scanner, 2D imager, high temp ID, RFID. You can see the implementation cost, temperature, working range, data capacity, encryption, media cost, read-write media, reading speed, and passing speed. RFID has got different parts. One of the parts is named as interface, second is known as RFID reader or read heads, and third is the RFID tag. RFID tags are active tags, passive tags, and semi-passive tags. The frequency of operation, that is the read heads, has got a low frequency 125 kHz or 134 kHz, high frequency 13.56 MHz, and also you have ultra high frequency 860 to 960 MHz. You can see the distance range for each frequency. The working is based on the inductive coupling. LF and HF RFID tags and UHF RFID tags works on electromagnetic coupling. Interfaces has become indispensable for a variety of automated data collection and identification application. At the heart of our RFID technology is our ident control system. It includes Ethernet, serial, and device net interfaces. It is one of the manufacturer's interface modules, which has got 1 and 2 head and also 4 head. Read heads are actually has got a microcontroller, RF signal generator, receiver signal detector. So what happens is that when the RF signal generator generates the signal, it goes into the tags and it in turn gives a signal to the receiver or signal detector, which is processed by the microcontroller. You can see the different types of read heads available in the market. In RFID tags are of different types, where it is surface mounted or surface mount on metal, and embeddable type which can be embedded into the surface. This works on inductive coupling, which was shown in the previous slides. That what does it mean? Like the RFID reader generates an induction, so it activates the passive tags and it gives power to the passive tags, and which in turn gives a signal back to the RFID, which recognizes the tag. Likewise, for far field coupling, tags are of active type and it generates a signal to the RFID reader. Tags are internally, you can see there is a particular tag. It's got a foil with the tags made of these parts, which is known as the chips, and you have the antenna and you have the package. These tags are the passive tags, which you have seen in this particular slide. Hope you enjoyed this particular video on RFID. If you have any clarification, kindly get in touch with our FLAX Knowledge Center, and you can also comment on this regard. Please communicate your appreciation about videos with the subscribe button and also with the like button. So subscribe on to this particular channel, and thank you for watching.